Hello.
Come inside.
It's a different kind of door, isn't
It's a
it?
pretty cool door. For a toilet. You know what this is?
No, I did not.
It's an original cast iron modesty screen. When Tarana railway station was first constructed in 1872, this room was an open air urinal. This cast iron urinal divider is a relic of the original use and was intended as a means of modesty.
Different. But that is a cool looking door.
Cool door.
You can see through it, but what's through here?
Let's have a look.
A lovely little room. A waiting room.
It's very clean.
It is.
Not allowed a fire in the fireplace.
These doors are pretty cool too. Oh, they're heavy.
Heavy.
Oh, that's that one. Pretty clean.
Very clean.
You'd have to lock this other door before going to the toilet. Anybody could walk in. Look at that door. Isn't that awesome?
Cool.
I've seen other people do toilet reviews. So here's a toilet review of Tarana Railway Station.
One of the cleanest toilets I've been in a while.
Yes, very clean. Oh, better shut this door. That's how we found it. And this one. There we go.
Tarana railway station. You got some work going on.